How to import or export a pack in Proton 4D. Let me explain this. But first, what is a pack? One pack can contain multiple materials or textures, depending on what type of pack itself. As you can see, in this page we can only import packs. But how to create a pack? For that we need to open a scene from where we want to export the materials. Open the Material Manager. Press the Export button. And now we need to select materials which we want to export. When a material is selected, a number is shown on it that shows its order. Also, we can see the preview that will be created for this pack. After exporting, this pack can be found in the Packs page. Now, we can share it with someone. Open Proton 4D on the other device and import this pack. Now, create a new scene and import the pack in the Material Manager. That's all. Thanks for watching.